So here I have a package from Wish. It arrived after 4 weeks after ordering. The item itself was $2 and the shipping was $2. So here we have a selfie ring light. So here on the back is where you put the batteries. It takes 2 AAA batteries, not included. Once you have the batteries installed, there is a button on top of the ring light right there. Turn it on, and there are 3 settings: your low, your medium, and your bright. So let's go ahead and put it on my phone. Positioning it any direction you would like to have the ring light shine. A lot of people use these ring lights to enhance their face features. You can mount these ring lights almost anywhere: in your vehicle, on your sun visor, in your closet on a shelf, on a mirror in your bathroom, or any place that's a little darker and you need more light. You can even use it for reading books at nighttime, and or take it with you when you're camping. So if you're looking to purchase a ring light for yourself, I purchased this one off of Wish. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe for all new videos. Thanks for watching.